I don't see that the Mumbai police can deny anything to the ED, because as far as the right of the ED is concerned, that is without any dispute. I mean, ED has a completely independent jurisdiction.
Latest development in Sushant Singh Rajput's case, Mumbai police has refused to hand over Sushant Singh Rajput's phone to the Enforcement Directorate. Yes, this is the latest update that is coming in. The ED, which is investigating the money laundering angle in Sushant's case, needed access of his phone from the Mumbai police, but the Mumbai police has refused to hand over Sushant's phone to the ED. अब इस बात पर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के फैमिली लॉयर विकास सिंह ने टाइम्स नाउ से बात करते हुए ये बताया है कि ईडी इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट ज्यूरिसडिक्शन. दे हैव एवरी राइट टू इन्वेस्टिगेट इन द केस बिकॉज द एफआईआर हैज बीन फाइल्ड, and that in no way Mumbai police can obstruct their functioning, and that it is a serious offence if they are doing so.
If the ED has decided to step in because of the allegation in the FIR itself of money laundering, then there is no way by which the Mumbai police can, obstruct the ED from functioning in this matter. And if this is happening, it's a very serious offence, and this will itself land them in very big trouble. This is not privy to me. This is only on your information that I am reacting. But I don't see, how Mumbai police, on what basis or what justification can they deny the ED whatever the ED is demanding, unless if they had supposing taken the call that they are investigating the matter themselves and they require it for their own investigation. Now that also they can't say, because there is no investigation in Mumbai. Mumbai has not registered any FIR. So I think the only way to resolve it will be to go to appropriate court and get an order from the court asking the getting a direction to the Mumbai police to render all assistance to the ED so that the ED probe continues uninterruptedly.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस में अभी तक काफी सेलेब्स ने सीबीआई इंक्वायरी के लिए अपील की है, and amidst all this, now late actor Jia Khan's mother has also spoken up on the ongoing case. Jia Khan's mother, Rabia Khan, who is still herself fighting for her daughter's justice, has supported the CBI inquiry in Sushant's case. उन्होंने सुशांत और जिया के केस में similarities भी point out करते हुए कहा है that the shocking similarities in both the cases are giving her sleepless nights. उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि both of them were trapped by their narcissistic partners.
The similarities are so shocking and so pathetic that in fact it gave me sleepless nights, because look, both the partners were trapped by their narcissistic partners, and both were given promises of marriage, both were sponged by for the money, and then both were controlled,